Jessica, market's sort of running hot coming into earnings season to a degree. Sometimes earnings season is a boost. Sometimes it just kind of muddies the waters a little bit. You have a lot of back and forth action. What does your work tell you to expect here?
Yeah, if we take a look at the beginning of every earnings season as we'd entered it for the last 4 quarters, you'll notice that that has been the fuel for bear market rallies. And then we only meet resistance when we have a more restrictive Fed. So going back to Q1, once we were met with better than anticipated earnings, that's a narrative we are consistently hearing, but coupling that with a more dovish Fed, less restrictive, we're seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. That's what put us into the bull market. So Powell took his foot off the gas, turned on cruise control, but I still want to exercise caution and know that there could be turbulence ahead because data and a restrictive Fed is what really tests that momentum. And additionally, I've got another chart for you from a technical view. 13, 26, 40, and 52 weekly moving average, adding another 2 weeks, for the 50. Not too much of a difference, but that represents 1, 2, 3, and 4 quarters worth of data. So we want to see that line to continuously slope upwards, as well as the major indices above that. That tells me that prices are increasing on a quarterly basis, and that hasn't happened since really the downturn. So that's a positive sign, a good base. But we're on cruise control. Turbulence is important to be aware of. Yeah,
the chart there marking the start of earnings season does show what is sort of familiar if you've followed along, which is the catalyst you might get to the upside from the start of earnings often is kind of retraced, right? So you have a kind of almost 2 phases to an earnings season where people get their expectations leaning one way, and then the market kind of moves and it unwinds a little bit after the fact.
Yeah, absolutely. I completely agree. And I think it's important to look at the headwinds that are there as well. We're entering an efficiency era. It's driven by tech, but it's also being recognized by all. We heard that from Pepsi earnings. They're implementing automation and driving efficiencies. And I want to see that and hear that continuously with on earnings calls. I want to see profit margins expanding due to efficiencies because that headwind and turbulence is absolutely a tight labor market, which could lead to a more restrictive Fed, which will give us those downturns and maybe the turbulence that we need to overcome to keep this momentum.
Yeah, no doubt. Ton of focus on margins will be there. Just to be clear as we wrap up, so you're still considering this kind of a bear market and whatever upside we've seen is a bear market rally, or have we broken above it?
Broken above it. Technically, we're in bull market.
Yeah.
This is a bull market. Yes, that's right.
Gotcha.